So today I'm at Victoria University of Wellington's brand new Maru block, which is an administration building, 2 floors, and a brand new lift, which is a Kleemann. The floor numbering is actually completely wrong because it should be 1 and 2, not ground and 1. It's hydraulic. But Kleemann hydraulic lifts are actually really fast, and this is no exception. Interesting that the buttons didn't beep this time. Installed by Cremer. Not sure I like the wall colour they've chosen. It would have been better if they'd chosen that colour because it would have matched, but either way, this is a really nice brand new lift. Yeah, I'm not going to ride it again because, you know, this is an admin building. But yeah, brand new building. This has literally opened in the last week. And it's pretty cool to actually be able to ride the lift at last, because I've watched this building go from car park to concrete pad to steel frame to finished. I've seen the whole process, so it's nice to actually be able to actually look at the finished thing. Yep, that's it.